There's a fire right here. See? Now it's recording again. Can I go outside record or?
Sure. Stay by the car though, I'll leave it so.
Welcome back to another video. That's a big fire to do this. Look at that. I never see this power in my life. Ever. I like it. My dad would enjoy this video. The fire trucks, in case what happens. No, it's not the fire right here. Yes? Alright. Fire truck right here, so we start the vestibule. I don't know. Just told me to stay by the car. I don't know. I don't want to coordinate people here. I hope you guys see this video. You like your comment down below. You want to see this video every day. See this campfire? Just comment down below. This next year, January 2023, I'll be going to Florida. It's crazy. How to get all this wood next to that school? I would never have fireworks at my house. There's no way I would never have fireworks at my house. Ever. Never ever have fireworks at my house. You would get ticket for sure. You start the campfire a fire in your house. Start woods on fire. What? I hope I'm going back to my car. That's a great video to watch. I promise you, I will see you back to get to my car. See you again in the car. Bye. Yeah, no.
that?
I don't know.
Are you trying to get in trouble?
No. Before I'm born in the fire. Oh. Where else we going? That's the video today.